We get a lot of questions here at Excellent Supply about how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So I put together something special. We've put together a 7-part series on commercial marketing and how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So stick around. You won't want to miss a single one. All of the segments are short, so stay tuned and pick up a few pointers on how to build your commercial carpet cleaning business. Now we're up to part 4 in our 7-part series. This one deals with the presentation. Okay, so you've done all the preliminary stuff, you've got past the gatekeeper, and now you're ready to go and make your presentation. What I've always found works well is to bring a presentation folio with me. You could also bring a PowerPoint type presentation on a laptop or on an iPad. These things will really help to just flow through and show the person that you're talking to across the desk some of the things that your company does and how you put your best foot forward when it comes to commercial carpet cleaning, that's your niche. That's what you want to really sell to them when you're talking. Your niche is you're the commercial carpet cleaning expert. You're there to solve their problems. So go in with a logoed shirt, have your material that's printed that fits along with your complete style for your niche, for your commercial carpet cleaning niche. We talked about that back in episode 1 of this series. Go on in there, and now you're ready to make your presentation. Now what you want to do is do a carpet inspection. Carpet inspection is one of the most valuable tricks I've ever learned. Why is that important? Well, let me give you this example. Let's say you go into the doctor and it's flu season. Doctor looks at you and just writes you a prescription. That's not how it works. The doctor, normally, if he's any good at all, he's going to ask you a few questions. At least he's going to take your blood pressure, he's going to take your temperature, he's going to ask you how long have you felt like this, he's going to look down your throat, he's going to give you a full evaluation, and then he's going to write a prescription. Now, it's probably the same script he's been writing all day because everybody that comes in's got the same bug, but he doesn't jump straight to the chase. You see, what kind of a doctor would he be if he didn't first analyze you, the patient? That's what you want to be when it comes to commercial carpet cleaning. Be the doctor, be the expert. So you're going to go through and you're going to ask some questions. For example, when was the last time you had your carpet cleaned? What method was used last? What type of spot cleaning program has been done? How frequently is vacuuming performed? Let's look at the vacuums and check the condition of the vacuum cleaner. What are the walk-off mats? What is the condition of the parking lot outside? Is it asphalt? Is it concrete? Is it olefin carpet? Is it nylon? You see, I'm building a picture here so that I can evaluate more than just, oh, here's my price written on the back of a business card like Joe Schmo. No, I'm going to show them that I'm looking at every aspect, and what I really want to do with this carpet inspection is help them see how a good maintenance program will help them extend the life of their carpet and keep it looking good on a day in, day out basis. That's the whole point of driving that carpet inspection. So we start with a good looking presentation, then we move to an inspection, and I'm now going to share with you a little trick that's made me more money than just about anything. Here's what you want to do when you're doing your inspection and when you're making your presentation. Ask one simple question. Do you have any problem areas in your building? They may give you a blank stare. They may say, no, everything's good. Then come back with this. Do you have any problems with any spill stains, for example? Then they'll think, yeah, on the second floor near the break room, there's a spill stain. It's been cleaned 3 times. It keeps coming back. I wanted that. I dug for that. You understand? I'm looking for them to tell me about that spill stain. Then what I do is this. I'll say, if I can clean that spill stain, I'd like to clean half of it for free. Just clean one side of it, and you can compare. If the side that I clean doesn't come back, then can we get serious about talking about your carpet cleaning? Now, they know that that spill stain has been a recurring spill stain. That's very common with commercial glue down carpet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that big gulp spill and I'm going to slice it in half, and I'm going to do a spill treatment on one half of it. And I'm going to do a good job on it. And so now they've got a half moon spill stain, you know. But the thing is that when they see after a few days that the side that I cleaned doesn't come back, I just got myself a customer. Now here's how to do the spill stain treatment. What you want to do is keep your moisture down to a very minimal amount, scrub over the carpet, keep the moisture, I'm talking like practically dry, using your Cymex machine or your orbital machine, your rotary machine, your CRB machine, minimal moisture, super dry. After you've given it a bunch of scrubs on that 1/2 of the spill, what you're going to do is you're going to take some release it, mixed, if you're using DS2 for example, you use about 25% in a spray bottle with 3 parts water. So 1 to 3, 1 part, release it DS2, 3 parts water, and spray a few squirts of it now. After you've done that low moisture scrub, spray a few squirts of that on top of that side that you've treated, and run your machine across that one last time to kind of massage that down in the fiber. Here's what's going to happen. Because you've scrubbed so aggressively with minimal moisture, you've broken up what's on the surface, and that more concentrated amount of polymer that's in that concentrate of Encap Clean DS2 will go down and crystallize any remaining residue that's down there. That spill stain won't come back. So it's an easy trick. So those are the things you want to keep in mind. Make a killer presentation. Go in there, look the part, dress well, and have some confidence in your ability. Do a great inspection and do that trick on the spill stain. You're going to land the account. So hopefully you've appreciated this segment in our series. We're here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply. Please feel free to reach out to me or my staff, and we'll help you any way that we can. We want to help you be successful with your commercial carpet cleaning business. Thanks for watching.